Hi, welcome to the Mindfulness Corner from Oils Wonderland. I'm Amy Lohr, and today we are talking about mindfulness practices that support you in keeping negativity away and cleansing and clearing that out. Such an important practice. So let's get into it. And today, the essential oil that is assisting us with these practices, if you wish, is the Young Living Thieves essential oil blend. A nice, spicy, sweet aroma to assist you today. So go ahead and get started and close your eyes, taking a couple deep breaths in. Long, deep breath in. So many times we gather and collect just negative energies throughout the day, or we perpetuate them from our own minds, emotions, and sensations. So these practices today are about clearing those out. And one of the simple ways that you can do that is through your intention and guiding those intentions with your mind and your mental energy, as well as using your breath and focusing on your body. So let's do a quick scan to just ask your body what's here that's harmful and no longer needed. And just scan your emotions and thoughts and physical sensations. And you might note it through just feeling heavy or overwhelmed. So, with each thing that you note that just is not needed, go ahead and take a deep breath in. Long exhale, focusing on the exhale with the intention of releasing and letting go that negativity. So, a deep breath in, exhale, release, and let go. Do two more of those. Now breathe in to your tailbone, your base, to breathe into your presence and your strength here in this moment. So to get you centered and grounded here, so breathe into your tailbone. Calling back your energy as you breathe in that vitality to your base. And just imagine pushing out of a bubble around you any of the stuff that's just distractions and negativity and harmful and ick, just generalized ick, and just push that out. Extend your boundary to the space around you where you're saying that stuff doesn't belong here. It needs to go. And you might even kind of do this, just like your hands out, have the physicality of that, and rubbing your body, kind of like this is dry bathing or dry showering, where you're rubbing it off. And as you're doing that, you're focusing your intention on whatever ick is here. It needs to go. Whatever isn't serving my best. You might audibly exhale and breathe. Get out. Go. And you might say that. If you're someone that's particularly sensitive, you are, more prone to sponging up people's emotions and sensations, and it's hard to sometimes differentiate between what is yours and what is theirs. So one of the questions you can ask yourself in this practice is you're tuning into your body and your sensations, you can ask your body, is this mine or is this someone else's? And if it's someone else's, it doesn't belong in you. You do nothing to serve other people by holding and carrying around their stuff. So if that's the case, you can take a deep breath in. If you're carrying around other people's stuff, exhale, release all that stuff, and you can visualize it in a compassionate kind of bubble. I like to visualize it as a golden light kind of surrounding whatever that is that's theirs, and it going back to the source, whoever it belongs to. And sending it with a prayer of healing if you wish. So exhale and release that, which is not yours. Send with a prayer for healing. And let it go back. Sometimes when you do this, you might notice some emotions rising up, or you've held something for a very long time and you kind of grieve letting that go. And that's okay too. Just allow yourself to process that as you need to. And continue to use the Thieves blend in this practice as you wish. So now hopefully you're feeling a little bit lighter, like you've released some things, you've unloaded. And this is a great daily practice, doing any of the practices that were identified today, as a way to conclude your day after you've probably picked up things throughout the day. So hope you enjoyed this mindfulness practice and using the Thieves Blend essential oil. If you do not have that blend and you want to purchase it from Young Living, check out the description below for a link and details on how to do so. You can reach out to me, Amy Lore, at oilswonderlandteam@gmail.com, and please subscribe to the Oils Wonderland channel for regular great mindfulness videos and other essential oil and health and wellness tips. Hope you have a great day.